here at Bondi FM with John Killa.
Let's do that again, Sydney. This is game take one, Zulu Nation. No?
Let's go.
What's up, Sydney? This is MK1 of the Zulu Nation, chilling here with Prinnie at the Bondi FM studios.
Yeah.
We're about to go on and let Bondi know what time it is with this talented female right here.
What time is it, Killa?
It's Prinnie o'clock.
It's Prinnie's new watch o'clock.
Very nice.
I'm happy to be here. The food is banging in this place. If you haven't been here, get your butt here and order whatever is on the menu because it's all good.
No doubt, no doubt. You know, Prinnie, it's been so hard to get hold of you. Like, I can't even call you anymore. I have to go through your manager, Corinne, now.
Yeah, no, I screen your calls, Killa.
And on topic of support tours, you actually on the 20th of May are supporting Bobby V.
Yeah.
The big V himself.
Yeah, I'm really, really excited about that one. We're doing Melbourne, Perth and Sydney. So, yeah, everybody go out and get your tickets because they're going really, really fast.
No doubt, no doubt. Now back to your single, Lion.
Yes.
Now I heard the single, I've had it playing in my car every day since it's been released. I've seen the video clip, might I add you look sexy as.
Thank you, Killa.
That's the last time you'll hear me say it.
You can say it again, it's alright.
And on that note, I don't know, I haven't spoken to your manager about this. I know we spoke about this during dinner, but Corinne, is it cool if we get Prinnie to sing Lion live? Bondi, here it is, for the first time in the studio.
Your time, it's time to come get me. I see the dress out the cage. No need for honey behind bars. I'ma get your product out the way. So I'm setting it free now. And then, hey, said I'm setting the breeze now. Come on, come on. Yeah, I said I'm setting it free now. Whoa, hey, said I'm setting it free now. Hey, come on, hey, 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 hey. I'ma let you lamb boy. Yeah, let you lamb boy. Well, I'ma make it, I'ma let you lamb boy.